Hello, my name is Anand. The question I want to answer here is, how can I make use of these quarantine days to start a fashion YouTube channel? First of all, you need to understand fashion has two broad categories. First one is fashion designing, and second one is fashion consultancy. Designing involves creating the things, and consultancy involves showing and presenting the things. So, in designing, there are a couple of important subjects that you need to understand, which covers both designing and fashion consultancy. Out of which, important important subjects are pattern making, material understanding, draping, styling, and there is one more thing which is not a subject as such, but you need to get an idea of it. That is handling the mannequins. So, let's say you want to design, then it is must and should that you know pattern making and materials. When I say materials, material involves uh, from ants to fabrics, and different types of textiles that are available in India, or let's say in your specific location. So when you come to YouTube channel now, it is a good idea to have a course of plan to show in your YouTube channel. So to be very precise about it, you need to have an objective to put in the YouTube channel. So I would request you to start with an objective, then planning for the course, and then go to the internet, search about the materials available locally to you, and then maybe buy a mannequin if it is available in these days. Better buy it. Otherwise, you can try it on your your friends or your family or somebody by using the materials that you have at home. So once you are done with this, try presenting the things that you have created, at least to your friends in WhatsApp status or something like that, and get their feedback. So if the feedback is good and you're confident about it, then you can start your YouTube channel. But if the feedback is not good, it's better that you form a loop from the feedback and make adjustments according to it, and start the whole process again. So after doing these basics, you will come to know what to do next. So I will try giving brief about each subjects that we have spoken in the first video. That is, first one is pattern making. Pattern making is nothing but what to cut and what shape to cut and what are the measurements to cut to form a particular product. Let's say you want to design a lehenga. So lehenga doesn't come with the fabric. It has to be cut, pleats have to be formed, there is a knot, that has to be stitched and all. So tailor needs to know what is the length to be cut and all. So for that you need to form a pattern. Likewise, we do it in engineering drawing. We give the engineering drawing for somebody who can understand and something like that. We have to create a drawing so that tailor will understand. Second subject is draping. Draping is nothing but giving a material, let's say fabric, a structure to be formed. Let's say you have a sari. When you fold a sari, it is you can put it in a box, but when you drape it around somebody, it gets a form and it gets its shape, and that is when you understand the aesthetical beauty of it. So that is draping. And the third one is styling. Styling is nothing but what sort of things that you can do with a particular material or a particular product. Let's say a dupatta. You can wear a dupatta in n number of ways. You can just tie it around your neck. You can just hang it one sided. You can You can form your muffler with that. So that is styling. What is that you can do out of a particular product? And so try experimenting all this, and you will come to know deep about the subject. When you get stuck, better go to the internet, surf about it, go to the depths, and understand each and every subject's fundamentals. So once you have the fundamentals with you, you will come to know what needs to be done next. If you are stuck anytime, you can ask me questions. Thank you.